National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Brazoria, Fort Bend, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, San Jacinto, and Walker counties until 7:15 this morning. Wind gusts of up to 68 miles an hour, and already seeing 2 to 4 inches of rain. More expected. Locations included on this warning are Pasadena, Pearland, Sugarland, Missouri City, Eastern Conroe, Deer Park, Rosenberg, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, Humble, West University Place, and Richmond. And again, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Fort Bend, Brazoria, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, San Jacinto, Walker counties until 7:15 this morning. This concludes the broadcast of the Emergency Alert System